What skincare do you recommend after having a mole removed on the face? So basically, we give you. So usually you don't put a dressing on. So you usually don't have any dressing at all. If you want, you can have some tape to cover it if you're seeing people or clients, or whatever. So a bit of tape to cover it. Stitches in, stitches come out after a week. And then what I normally say to people is just leave it alone. Don't do anything to it. Don't do any sort of skincare or anything. Well, you can do skincare, but don't do anything specifically to the scar. And then what I normally do is I catch up with you at 6 weeks, either in person in the clinic or on the phone or video call or whatever. We talk about scar management. And at 6 weeks, things are usually pretty well knitted together. So we get you massaging it then, and that's normally the mainstay of kind of skincare, really. Moisturizer, massage. We've got some stuff called QV cream, but it doesn't really matter what you use. You can use any sort of moisturizer just to moisturize it and give it a bit of pressure. Circular motions, make it blanch, a little bit of pressure. Obviously, if it hurts, then back off. But at 6 weeks, usually it's pretty good. So a bit of pressure, 2 or 3 times a day if you can. So that's the mainstay. And time is really important. It does take many months for it to fade. While it is red and active, you've got to avoid getting a tan on it, because if you get a tan on it, it can end up with a pigmented scar. So that's important. Anything that helps healing. So sun is bad. Smoking is bad. Keep yourself well hydrated, keep your skin moisturized, and a bit of pressure on the scar, and basically give it time. That's the mainstay of scar management. Obviously, if you get problems with the scar, there are things we can talk about. If it's a bit more red than normal, if it gets a bit sort of raised and lumpy or anything like that, there's different things we can do, where the vast majority of scars do not need anything more than that. Bit of moisturize and massage 2 or 3 times a day, and just patience, because it does take many months for it to really properly settle and fade.